In this tutorial, I'm going to give you a brief overview of how to navigate the mobile app dashboard. To view your analytics of your mobile application, you click the analytics bar under Manage, and from here you can see the total downloads, the total sessions, and sessions of a mobile app means how many times are people actually engaging in your app, and how many times are they opening the app on a monthly basis, and then also the average time in the app. And then on top of that, we can show you how your mobile app compares in usage with your clients on the iOS platform, Android platform, and also the HTML5 powered mobile website. And then also the locations of where this activity is coming from, which is pretty cool. If you want to send out push notifications, this is extremely simple to do. You simply enter in your push notifications here. You can send out a message related to getting more Yelp reviews, getting more social media activity. You can send to your iPhone users or your Android users. You can even connect your social media accounts. And you can also even send to a certain area. So we have the ability for you to send to just a certain radius on a map or set up a geofence, which allows users to basically receive the push notification when they pass through the certain radius that you set up, or you can also link the push notification to a web page. So if you're running some sort of special within your application, or you want to link to a specific feature, you can link them to the rewards, and this time you can say, hey, we really want you guys to come into our business. We're offering double the reward points, and get really creative with push notifications. So you can send it now or you can schedule it for later. Pick your time zone and when you want to send it, and then just hit send message when you're done with that. Moving over to promoting your mobile application, we give you the ability to share your mobile app over Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Google Share in one click. And when this app is completed, and this is a demo application, so you'll have a nice beautiful home screen that you can choose from, and usually you want to use your screenshots for that. And also we give you QR codes for you to apply to marketing materials so your customers can walk into your place of business and download your app just by scanning the QR code. And then from there, they'll have the app on their phone, and it's a great way to really market your app inside of your business. On top of that, we also give you the ability to monitor how many food orders you're getting, how many people are subscribing to your mailing list, how many people are getting in touch with you, how many leads are you getting. Again, this is a demonstration application, so the information here is empty, but we also encourage you to, if you have, let's say, an email form that's a lead capture form, send out a push notification to encourage some activity there. Now, moving over to the design section, this is where you really make the app come alive. So this is going to dictate really how your app looks and feels with the customer. So I can select a layout very easily. I can select the sliding layout. I can add a call button onto the front of the mobile application as well as directions and tell a friend. And to do that, I'll just select those and hit save, and I'll show you something cool. So this isn't activated now. There are no buttons at the bottom, but when I hit save, I'm going to go ahead and reload the mobile application. And now you will see these buttons appear. And on top of that, you can change your home screen anytime. You would just click this button right here. And this will allow you to adjust your screen backgrounds for all the features within your application. Header background is right here, which is the bar that you see at the top of your application. For this app, I don't have one selected. I just have a home screen that covers the whole front of the mobile application. But if you'd like a header, we have a ton for you to choose from, a wide variety, also based off of different categories such as photos and people, shapes, simple, there's a ton of design options for you to choose from. Now, if you want to adjust the icon color within your application, that's also very easy to do. I'm going to change this to, let's say, maybe red. And so as my mobile application shows right now, you're going to see black icons. Let's reload this one more time. And so if I hit save right here, all of these icons right here will change. And I'm also going to change the layout for you guys too, so you can see how easy it is to really customize your mobile application on the fly. So we're going to have a sliding layout, and it's going to be in a tile format. And then once I go ahead and preview this, you'll see that the icons will now be red. Pretty cool, huh? And one thing to also note is you can change all of the look and feel of your app at any time, even after the app is live. So if you wanted to change any sort of color scheme, even the font, you can easily do that very, very easily by just editing these colors right here. And the best way to really do this is to just change the color, preview it, see how it looks, and then go back. Now the next step is to add new features into your mobile application. So to do that, it's very, very simple. We have a wealth of features for you to choose from, and to add a new feature, it's very, very simple. You simply select the feature that you want to add into your mobile application. In this example, I'll just pick a very simple feature such as the call us feature. Give it a name such as call us. And then what you would do is scroll to the bottom, give it an icon, and it could be literally whatever you would like it to be. And then from here you would just add a phone number. I'm just going to add a example number, obviously not real. And then just a title. Maybe this would be give us a call. And then once that's added into the app that's active in your mobile application, you'll just want to hit save. And another cool thing, if you ever kind of get lost, we have a tutorial for you to take that kind of points out everything. So you can add features here. You can adjust your feature icon here. You have inactive features here at the bottom. Save your changes at all time. And then again, you can preview your application on iPad, Android, and then also the HTML5 version. And so since I just added the call us feature, it's going to show us that first. But again, this is a live preview of how your app is going to look before you launch it. So I hope this was helpful in just showing you guys how the mobile application platform works. And if you have any questions, please let us know. Thanks, everybody.